Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Heather of My Creative Corner. I am working on day 21 map of Junk Journal January 2025 prompts. I'm just going to collage a little bit on these two pages. I'm going to take in this whole thing. And I have some pictures cut out and some words, and I'm kind of going with maps and travel type theme. So I'm just going to put these on as background. I just cut some pictures out of a magazine and an old encyclopedia that I have. So I was just going to place these over the brown paper. Just kind of collage them on a little bit. A little something in there to hide that. Trying to figure out where I want to place things. Kind of like that, maybe. And I cut this picture out because she looks like she's going somewhere and traveling, so I kind of went with that. And I like that because it tied in with the colors, and that does too. So oops. And I cut out these words. To put, I wanted to include them in the in here. There's that. And that's what I came up with for map. Day 21 of Junk Journal, January 2025. Little maps. And this lady's going on a little trip, maybe. She's going to explore and experience the art of travel. Anyways, that's what I came up with for today. Hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks if you've made it this far in the video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later and see you in the next one.